Hi, my name is Yami, and I'm a Year 4 Mechanical Engineering student. And I just really want to tell you that I really enjoy my time here at HKU because these past few years have been very enjoyable for me. And I chose to study mechanical engineering because I'm interested in design. And so in the first year when I got to make a remote controlled airplane, I was so excited. But I was even more excited because I didn't know how to use any software. And so because I was so passionate about it, I learned how to use Autodesk Fusion 360 to make the airplane. And in the second year, when I officially learned how to use SolidWorks, I was even more excited because I knew how to design properly. And I was soon able to continue practicing these skills because I worked under a professor who specializes in 3D printing. And one of the projects that I had was to make a lithophane project, and I was in charge of making the panels and the framework. And on top of this, my mentor's guidance was very helpful for me because I learned so much about 3D printing and I had so much hands-on experience. And on top of that, I learned a lot more about design and materials in the later courses that I had. But especially during the engineering training that I had so much hands-on experience, and I'm forever grateful for it. And another prominent aspect of my life is being awarded the Innovation and Technology Scholarship. And this scholarship provided so many opportunities for me to broaden my international exposure and a lot of industrial experience. And one of the things that the scholarship helped me with was to provide so much financial support for me for my exchange to the University of California, San Diego. And during this experience, I learned a lot about the different university education systems, the different cultures, and the different university lifestyle. But more importantly, I would say that I made a lot of good friends there. Another aspect of this scholarship was the local internship program. And I was able to work at German Pool, focusing on improving their engineering components and aesthetic features of their halogen cooker and their smart stir fryer. And on top of this local internship project, I was able to also help at the Inno Carnival last year, and I conducted a workshop that taught primary school kids the physics of airplane flight. But the most long-lasting component of this scholarship was the mentorship program, because even after my scholarship period has ended, I still have regular gatherings with the mentors and mentees, with my mentors being Mr. Lam Sai Hong and Mr. Han Chi Keung. And speaking of mentoring relationships, I've also had many mentors throughout my HKU experience, such as my 3D printing professor, my overseas exchange mentor, my mentor under the Hong Kong U Engineering Alumni Association, and also my now capstone project supervisor, Dr. C.K. Chan. And since I'm never able to return the favor for my mentors, I decided to become a mentor myself. And now I am a faculty peer mentor and also a residential student advisor at the Lady Ho Tung Hall. And besides these mentoring relationships, I can say that I made so many good friends during my university experience. And I remember on the first day of school, I asked the girl in front of me if she wanted to sit together, and now we're still good friends. And besides at school, I also made a lot of good friends at Hall because the community is so loving that I look forward to return to it every single day after a long day of school. And so of all my experiences that I've had, I can say that I have come a long way since I started studying HKU 3 years ago. And I really hope that you'll be able to love your time at HKU as well.